In the introductory video, you saw how the MAPEGY Library connects the fragments of innovation and how each building block reveals one piece of that larger system. Now let's explore the next building block, value chains. Innovation creates value when ideas or where ideas move from research to real products and services. The MAPEGY Library structures this process into more than 20 stages, actually it's exactly 22 currently, that show how ideas become value. And these stages are grouped into 6 main areas, starting with input, to transformation, then the output, then the distribution, likely also customer interaction, and then all the enablers. And these categories represent the standard model of value creation, applicable across all industries. And this is our first release of the value creation or value chain framework. And it's a complex topic, and we've worked hard to create a consistent and comprehensive foundation. We built it using industry standards, expert interviews, our own experience, our own methodology. And we know that value chains are far more detailed in reality, often half generic and half industry specific. And that's why we are already developing additional sector-specific value chain perspectives. This year, this standard model will remain stable, but new, more detailed versions will follow soon. We review and update this dataset once per year, and in the future, new industry-specific layers will be added in shorter cycles. So now let's have a look at one example and go into more systematic mode again, to the comparison mode. Let's have a look. Which of these topics grew the most by research? In this case, research grows, transformation, customization, adoption, and personalization, likely heavily driven by AI. But I'm curious, let's have a look ourselves. So transformation, the title of this category, value chain, the description, and now we got 2 panels, I think. Yeah, it's the news panel and it's the research panel. And for both of them, we used also the Scout Assistant, which is automatically creating the top 5 categories discussed in news and or research. So in news, it is personalization strategies, consumer experience transformation, customization innovations, AI-driven personalization, and market trends and personalization. Also added with references linking directly to the original sources. Of course, you can also explore in detail the whole news panel, just like the whole research panel here with bookmarking, searches, and sorting. And for research, it is mass customization, personalized marketing, adaptive technologies, data-driven personalization, and consumer experience transformation. These topics discussed or published in research the most, top 5. And if you want to drill deeper and explore more, you can obviously always go into the Scout expert mode and change the search query or add panels and visualizations from the myriad of panels and visualizations available. This is how the value chain building block makes innovation tangible, showing how ideas flow from inputs and transformation into real-world implications and impact, and how the MAPEGY Library helps you see where value is truly created.